In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat on Shopify using the Shopify inbox. Live chat is essential for enhancing customer experience on your online store. It allows for real-time communication, which can help answer customer questions, build trust, and potentially increase your sales. So let's dive right in and get started with installing the Shopify inbox app, ensuring a seamless connection with your customers. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. From here, you'll want to focus on the Apps section, which is integral to this process. You can find it on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you're there, click on it to open up the Apps menu. In the search bar, type Inbox and press Enter. This will help you locate the Shopify Inbox app, an essential tool for integrating live chat into your store seamlessly. Once the search results populate, you'll see the Shopify Inbox app listed. Go ahead and click on it to access its details page. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. This step might seem simple, but it's a critical part of setting up your live chat. After clicking Install, you might notice another prompt for confirmation. This is completely normal and is just Shopify ensuring that you really want to add this app to your store. Click Install again to confirm your choice, and proceed with incorporating live chat functionality into your Shopify setup. With the Shopify Inbox app now installed, it's time to activate the actual chat feature. Look for the option that says Turn on Chat and click it. This action switches on the live chat feature, allowing it to be visible and accessible to your customers when they visit your online store. Now, let's move on to customization, which is a great way to ensure the chat interface aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Customization options allow you to tweak the background, text, buttons, and various other elements of the chat interface. Personalizing these details helps create a cohesive look and feel for your store, making the chat more inviting and emphasizing your brand's identity. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, don't forget the crucial step of hitting Save. This ensures that all your customizations are locked in and ready to engage your audience. By following these steps, you've successfully added a live chat feature to your Shopify store using Shopify Inbox. This new tool is a powerful addition, enabling you to connect with your customers more effectively and provide them with the support they need, all in real time. With your live chat set up and customized, you're well on your way to enhancing your customer interactions and ultimately boosting your sales. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel empowered to improve your online store's customer service with this new feature.